Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. And so, just real quick news for you guys regarding Mint Mobile, okay? So, I wanted to get this word out because some of you guys who may have been interested in Mint Mobile but wasn't too sure about trying them out, now is probably your golden window opportunity. And I know Mint Mobile has done this before, but not in this particular fashion. So, that's the reason why I'm trying to get this out right now before Super Bowl Sunday. So, according to Ryan Reynolds, he wants to give you guys Mint Mobile for free as a free trial. 3 months free, okay? 3 months free of Mint Mobile. It's the 3 gigabyte plan. So normally it goes for $75 every 3 months, $25 a month. You're going to get it for free, okay? Now, the catch is that you have until kickoff on Super Bowl Sunday. That's when it starts, until the end of Super Bowl to sign up. Now, you have to be a new customer. You cannot be a previous customer. So if you've already used your email to sign up for a Mint Mobile account, let me tell you guys right now, you're going to want to make a different email address to sign up for it. So, yeah, during Super Bowl Sunday, free 3 months of Mint Mobile, 3 gigabyte LTE plan. This is actually a good way for you guys to actually try out Mint Mobile. It does operate on T-Mobile's network, so it utilizes that. Let me just say this right now. That's actually pretty cool. And Mint Mobile has done this before, okay? Mint Mobile has given starter trials. As a matter of fact, they gave a lot of, free 3-month service trial offer when they were known as Mint Sim before they completely changed over to Mint Mobile. So if you guys are interested in trying out Mint Mobile, seeing how buying in bulk works for you, definitely check them out. See how the service connection is. Because if you're like 3 gigs, I use more than 3 gigs, well, just use this as a trial offering to launch and test out the network. And after 3 months, if you're pretty sold on Mint Mobile, you can up your plan to the 12 gig plan, the most data plan that they give, and go on that. And again, the best part about Mint Mobile is that it's buy in bulk, right? So you could even do a yearly plan where you only pay your phone bill once a year and it covers you the entire year, so you don't have to worry about a phone bill throughout the year while paying the rest of your daily expenses. So anyways, guys, that's it for a quick update. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. Drop likes if you guys enjoyed this quick update. If you just subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate that. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload more videos. All right, so I'm going to get back to what I'm doing right now. I just want to make this quick little video for you guys because you guys are awesome. And so, yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Aloha.